Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is consolidating. Few altcoins are just correcting a little bit, but others are pumping. So my name is Mike Dankler, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news every day with some technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT, gems, and these daily news are supported by CorionX, our favorite money in the right direction crypto project. So I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for entertainment purposes and for education purposes only. So guys, please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, push the bell and notification all, and let's share my screen and let's go to our favorite bubble chat and see what's happening out there. We see few altcoins are correcting, especially Loopring. Loopring corrected yesterday. Sand rallied really well. Also, Arweave and Near rallied really well the past few days. Maker rallied yesterday, so now correcting. Shiba is just giving back this the whole price surge that happened in the past 2-3 days. Mana is also correcting, but we see AMP, Aron, VeChain, OMG, XEC, Holochain, Tagcoin, CTC, KDA, and X Infinity CRO also pumping well. So good to see. These altcoins are pumping occasionally. So there is a news that some altcoins is pumping, and then they are correcting back because it rises so high, and investors are taking profits. So nothing wrong with it. So hope the sharing is working. Yes. So our next chart is the favorite crypto fear and greed index. And you see that the index shows that we are in the greed zone at 73. Yesterday, the index showed 76, a little bit higher levels. And guys, also already if you're watching this channel, that there was a huge fear out there during September and the entire summer. And when investors are fearful, that's a good buying opportunity. When investors are getting greedy, and greediness can last for weeks and months, that's a due for a correction. So now we are not at the highest levels of the greediness. So I think that we have more space to go from here. Okay, our first news is Bitcoin whale holdings hit yearly high after fueling BTC price rise. So this is according to Chain Analysis and also CoinDesk. Bitcoin whales accumulated 142,000 BTC last week, moving their total holdings close to 200,000 mark, high that hadn't been seen so far this year. So this is the chart change in the BTC held by large investors in 2021, and we see that there was just a few times where these holdings are decreased. So all these numbers above zero are meaning that investors are accumulating, and especially now they are accumulating tons of even hundreds of 100,000 of BTCs. Okay, so Bitcoin stay below 6,000 for now and reach also 67,000 and peak there. And according to Paul Tudor Jones, cryptocurrency is winning the race against gold at the moment. And also Soros Fund Down Fitzpatrick has revealed that the private investment firm with over 6 billion in assets under management holds some Bitcoin and sees becoming mainstream. So Bitcoin usage has not reached the sophistication of Ethereum or other layer 1 assets. A decentralized way of wrapping Bitcoin is needed to unlock the use of Bitcoin as high quality capital in DeFi. So I think this quote is from maybe from Chain Analysis, but this is definitely true. And also we see that Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum and all other layer 1s will be as popular as other DeFi services. Our next piece of news is crypto analyst predicts a 14,000 extreme bull run for Ethereum in Q4 2021. So this is coming for Ethereum, record new highs, and also just getting started, and Ethereum could reach 14,000 plus soon if it follows the 2017 trend. So everybody comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum to 2017. But let's see, this is from Matthew Hyland, and let's check this on Twitter. And as we see that Ethereum is just getting started, the extreme move is coming. This is the price movement of Ethereum in 2017, and you see that now we are almost there here in November, beginning of November, and almost we had the same correction in May and September. And now if the history repeats or almost repeats itself, that it will be Ethereum up to 14,000 US dollars. And another says he has a 40 to 50,000 US dollar target in mind, but he won't really believe in it unless bull cycle run with two major peaks happens. So someone has even 40 and 50, so 10 times higher price targets than we are now. Okay, so good to hear that. Let's go to our next news. Friday's 540 million US dollar Ethereum options expiry favors traders with targets at 5,000 US dollar Ethereum price. So you know that option expiry always a volatile event, even if Bitcoin or Ethereum options expires. So this is now for that it's more likely to reach 5,000 US dollar with this option expiry. And as you see, Ethereum is supported through this trend line. Also, we will look into on TradingView. Okay, so these are the option expiry. The green is the call option open interest, and the pink is the put open interest. And you see that call open interest is much higher, and we will see something that can push Ethereum price towards 5,000 US dollar. Okay, and you see the existing options. How does that look like? Bears need a 6% price correction to reduce their loss. Yeah, so we'll see if bears can reduce their loss or just they are missing out. Okay, our next piece of news is wrapped XRP to launch on the Ethereum blockchain in December. Guys, this news came across the crypto media that it's also bullish for Ethereum and bullish for XRP, Ripple, but I'm not sure that it's so bullish for Ethereum because Ethereum is also okay without XRP. But this is something that XRP is a total different blockchain, fast, cheap, but centralized, but doesn't have real DeFi. And that is why they are coming and they are wrapping XRP on Ethereum. So there will be an XRP on Ethereum, a version of XRP on Ethereum. Also, we have wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum. So that's the next step from XRP. I think that we'll have XRP DeFi to unfold and also onboard more users. But as Ethereum gas prices are so expensive, I don't understand why not they are not doing on other layer 2s like Polygon or even on Phantom. So I'm not sure why they are doing so, but it's good for XRP. Wrapped XRP is coming to Ethereum. Great news for those that wants to access XRP within Ethereum wallets, DeFi, and smart contracts. Okay. And you know that everybody just waiting the SEC settlement in this Ripple case. and then I think that will give the direction to XRP. But now maybe it's undervalued, but until this SEC settlement is not over, we will not see any clear direction. So Coinbase lets customers borrow up to $1 million using Bitcoin as collateral. So this is definitely huge because Coinbase also listed on NASDAQ, as you see. And also the company charges 8% APR, but there is no credit check. The exchange said that the Bitcoin used as collateral remains safely held by Coinbase, emphasizing it's not lent out or used for any other purpose. Customer can borrow up to 1 million with Bitcoin as collateral from Coinbase. We are excited to announce that eligible customers can now borrow up. The Bitcoin you use as collateral remains safely held by Coinbase. So this is definitely what will happen, and also banks will offering crypto custody and accepting crypto as collateral and giving loans. So that was a proposal from the FDIC had that allowing bank and changing the regulations that allowing bank to hold Bitcoin in their balance sheet and also accept it as collateral. So I think this is the next level of banking. So Bitcoin and crypto is so crypto and banks getting friends because banks seem that they need crypto and Bitcoin to be alive and also provide these financial services. And I think as they have the infrastructure, the network, they need embed crypto infrastructure and crypto professionalism, crypto knowledge, and then they can offer these services. And I think many other banks will follow what Coinbase did. Our next piece of news is here is when altcoins will go on a parabolic final, according to closely followed crypto analysts. Nice. This is a VR Oculus. So remember what's coming for your arts. You haven't seen a thing yet. So this is on TechDev. TechDev is really popular recently. This is the total altcoin cap, I think, without Bitcoin. And also that was a nice cap and holder that I already showed you. And if history repeat or just rhymes to 2017 bull run, that we can expect almost a 7 trillion US dollar altcoin market cap, and this is just let's say more than 3.5 times away. So it means 3.5 times altcoin market cap surge, and it's possible to reach by early 2022. Okay, so let's check. Bitcoin highest monthly close in history. Congrats Bitcoin and congrats y'all. We are now headed toward our second monthly RSI relative strength index peak, like every cycle before. Now we are near the top trust indicators 2013, 2017, 2021. This is the Bitcoin price movement, and this is the RSI peaks. And I think this is a weekly or monthly. This is a monthly chart. Yes, this is a monthly chart, but this is also an RSI, and this RSI is showing when it will peak. And then this RSI broke up to the bullish zone. BTC daily says get ready for November. So this is 2017, and then this is 2021. Also compared the RSI. Showing some similarities, and also a lot of people out there like Crypto Banter and a few other guys are waiting this correction. This correction in 2017 was almost 30% correction and lasted for 9 days. So after 9 days, the price just continued to go up from here. So maybe not now, as Tech dev is predicting a nice movement from here if this repeating, but somewhere maybe in November we will see a last shakeout, a huge drop, and a lot of newbies will be scared and selling their Bitcoin and crypto at a lower price. Our next piece of news is Solana battles Cardano for the top 5 spot as Solana market cap crosses $70 billion mark. Solana price rallied to a new all-time high and flipped Cardano. Then Cardano flipped back. So now they are just competing with each other. And Solana rallies on NFT craze. So the Solana blockchain's native token grew by over 65% since October 1st. On the other hand, ADA's returns is the same period came out to be just 2%. But don't sleep on ADA. I think ADA will break out sometime, and then when the Cardano ecosystem will show some signs that DEXs, DeFi, and other projects are working on Cardano. So whether or not Solana can manifest its initial energy into long-term NFT growth is yet to be determined, but current signs present valid reasons to be optimistic about Solana's burgeoning NFT ecosystem. So guys, be sure that in Lisbon, a Solana conference is starting during the weekend, and I expect a lot of Solana related news. So few altcoins on Solana like Radium or Saber and other Solana ecosystem projects are running really well. So I definitely would ape in Solana and Solana ecosystem coins. And I think Solana also shows bullish signs if we are looking into technical analysis. So I'm definitely bullish on Solana and also Polkadot, as Polkadot parachains will be launched in a week or so. So our next piece of news is Solana secondary NFT sales reach $500 million in 3 months. CryptoSlam ranks Solana as the 4th best NFT blockchain behind Ethereum, Ronin, and Wax in terms of 24 hours sale volume. So this is definitely huge. So maybe Solana will be the blockchain of NFTs, but I think Cardano also has a good potential to get there. Okay, let's check our last but not least news that President Bukele El Salvador to use Bitcoin profits to build 20 schools. So guys, this is really, really interesting. So El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. They attracted Bitcoin miners to mine Bitcoin using volcano energy, green energy, and what they established a Bitcoin trust, and the part of the profit they are building schools, and also they build a veterinary hospital, if I'm right. So I think this is definitely huge, and just big shout out to them and big congratulations and appreciation. Yes, we have our last news about EOS. EOS Foundation stresses project's poor performance, outlines new roadmap. So guys, EOS, not too much happened on EOS. EOS raised $4 billion in their ICO in 2017, and they spent a lot of money on voice, and still we don't see voice out there. And also, I think they just bought a voice.com for 30 million. So they spent incredible amounts of money, but not too much working products. So this is when a company raising too much funds, and maybe they are more comfortable to manage those funds than developing something. But definitely we expect the bullish exchange be launched maybe this year, and that can help to EOS. Okay, let's go and check the charts. As you see, I am on the Shiba chart. So Shiba is correct, actually corrected back 100% from the Fibonacci top highs. And then I expect maybe some small correction here. This is on the 4-hourly, and maybe around 4,000 Shiba will find some resistance, because our previous rally started from 4,000. So I would definitely watch out these levels. And it seems that maybe Shiba bounced here. So I will make a horizontal trend line here. So this is, I'm watching for these levels, 4,200, that maybe Shiba can bounce here, but I'm not sure. So that was a huge dump here. Okay, so Bitcoin is doing well, consolidating. It's just doing some sideways movement. And I think this is good because it's getting more and more power in this zone. So everything just coming down to 60,000 or 61,000, I would buy some. So I would pick up some. I would open some long positions here, but not with a huge leverage. All other coins are doing well, especially Ethereum is holding strongly. Now just dipped below 4,500, but I have this trend line here, and if it's coming down to 4,300 and bouncing, that I'm still okay with Ethereum. So I see a continuation. We see a few other coins are pumping. SLP, wow. Oh, that was nice. This is another token of X Infinity, just broke out with a huge candle. So I would definitely watch out. That was a nice pump. We already talked about this 100% pump, so definitely huge pump. Solana also made a new all-time high, and as this Solana conference is ongoing, I would expect more and more news. Also, Serum is now correcting back, but I would expect Serum also going up. Alice is doing well, TLM, and it's forming a kind of W pattern, and I expect it will break out soon. Moon River also break up and break up again from these formations, so everything's look really bullish. And OMG also formed this huge gap and holder, and now breaking up. So definitely good to see. Sand is correcting, but Sand run up really well. So I think Sand, I would pick up some Sand if coming back to these Fibonacci levels at around 2.6. So guys, this is for today. Also, don't forget to visit CorionX farms and provide some liquidity into our liquidity pools. You can provide on CorionX BNB, LP, and earn 280. And maybe also there are some other liquidity pools with higher APIs, but the best APIs always with steady rewards, the CorionX BNB pair. BNB pairs, and also if you use CorionX Ethereum version, then you can come and you can stake CorionX Ethereum liquidity tokens here for 330 APR. So guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow. Enjoy, play safe. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye.